Hello children, welcome to Hindi Academy. Today I am going to explain the poem Atmatran. It's written by Rabindranath Tagore and it's translated by Hazari Prasad Dwivedi. Anuvad means translation. विपदाओं से मुझे बचाओ यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं, केवल इतना हो करुणामय कभी न विपदा में पाऊं भय. I mean, this the poet is telling, विपदाओं से मुझे बचाओ, save me from obstacles. यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं, I am not praying for that. केवल इतना हो करुणामय. करुणामय means God, ईश्वर. Saying it should that I am only asking that much that कभी न विपदा में पाऊं भय. I shouldn't fear any obstacle. भय means fear. विपदा means obstacle. दुख ताप से व्यथित चित्त को न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही, पर इतना होवे करुणा में दुख को मैं कर सकूं सदा जय. दुख ताप से व्यथित चित्त को न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही. Now, if I am having a lot of problems and lot of sorrows, I am not asking that you end it or you give me any you do give me any condolences. I am not asking for that. I am just asking दुख को मैं कर सकूं सदा जय. I should win over that pain. I should win over the sadness. I should win over the sorrow. कोई कहीं सहायक ना मिले तो अपना बल पौरुष न हिले. Saying if he does not get any help from anybody, but my own willpower should not break or should not move. I should always be should have a willpower to face any challenge. हानि उठानी पड़े जगत में लाभ अगर वंचना रही तो भी मन में न मानू शय. If I have to face any losses and if I don't get any type of gain or benefit from anywhere, still I should not I should not be accept the defeat. I should be continue fighting. मेरा त्राण करो अनुदिन तुम यह मेरी प्रार्थना नहीं. You don't protect me every day. I am not asking for that. बस इतना होवे करुणामय. I am only asking तरने की हो शक्ति अनामय. I should be able to sail through the surface, to swim through the surface on the surface. I should not be drowned in the obstacles. I should be able to come out of that. मेरा भार अगर लघु करके न दो सांत्वना नहीं सही. I'm not asking that you make my problem small and you give me condolence or give me any courage of that sort. केवल इतना रखना अनुनय, just do that much, वहन कर सकूं इसको निर्भय. I should be able to pass through it fearlessly. नत शिर होकर सुख के दिन में, I should always bow towards you at the time of good days. तब मुख पहचानूं छिन छिन में. I should always know you or I should always remember you every time, every day, every minute. दुख रात्रि में करे वंचना मेरी जिस दिन निखिल मही. At the time on the day of the night of sorrows, when the whole world is against me, उस दिन ऐसा हो करुणामय. That day should happen like such that तुम पर करूँ नहीं कुछ संशय. I should never doubt you or I should never forget you. That is what I wish. That is Rabindranath Tagore is praying for such a prayer in which he does not want to end his problems. He just wants the courage to face the problem. It is different from the normal prayers which we do. In the normal prayers we just ask for ending our problems, but here he is not telling to end the problems. Instead he is telling, I want the courage to face the problem. Even if the whole world goes against me, still I should be able have the willpower to stand against all odds. Thank you.